Hello, welcome back to the G&P YouTube channel. Today we're going to teach you how to utilize the breakdown department. I'm Matthew King with the breakdown department. In a perfect world, you would never need to call us, but hey, this is trucking. You know, it's going to happen. Let's say you have a blown trailer tire, blown truck tire, your coolant line's leaking. In these scenarios, we are here to help. You know, we want to make sure that you're safe, the equipment's safe. In the scenario you have a blown tire, of course your best course of option, if you can ease to a TA or a Love's, of course that's always better for you. Over half the calls we get here in the breakdown department are tire related. So we do encourage you to do post-trip, pre-trip inspections. Make sure you're very thorough on this. This will prevent you from having an incident on the road. In the event that you do have a blown tire on the road or an incident on the road, we're going to walk you through how we do that. First off, you want to make sure that you are safe. You want to make sure that you're far enough off the road. You want to make sure that you exit the vehicle on the passenger side. You want to make sure that you put your triangles out, that your flashers are going. We want to make sure that people are aware that you're sitting there. That's the first and foremost. We want you to be safe. After we have this done, you want to try to assess the situation the best to your ability. In a case of a blown tire would be the affected tire position, which is where it's at on the trailer or the truck. Tire size. Is there any other damage caused by the blowout? We want to make sure as much information as you can provide to us. What you want to do at this point after we assess this the situation, the best way to contact us so we can help you is on your Qualcomm. Go on your maintenance, macro 15. You're going to click on that. It's going to bring up actually like a step-by-step. You're going to put your location. That's going to be, if you're on the highway, that's a mile marker, which way you're headed. If you're at a physical location, that's the address, city, state. You want to enter in exact location and destination, and then we're going to get to equipment. Okay, equipment location is for whatever is failed. If it's a blown tire on your trailer, you want to enter your trailer number. If it's on the tractor, you want to enter your tractor number. After that, you want to, if it's a tire, we do have a tire problem section. There is where you want to enter your tire size. You want to enter the affected position. Also, if you have a mud flat bent, mud flat blown off, you want to enter it there. There is actually, underneath that is an other section. That other section is for anything else, whether it be coolant line, you're stuck in a ditch. All of these situations would go there. Okay, after you have this macro 15, the maintenance call sent in, it will come to the breakdown department. At this point, we can assess the situation, call you if we have any questions. We're going to find the best, closest vendor. We're also going to shoot a message back to you to reassure. This is how long it's going to be. This is the vendor coming out. That way we can communicate and you feel comfortable with the time frame that's coming out. For any reason that you need to contact us, you can contact us at 800-458-6980. Extension 1 will ring right to our breakdown department. That way we can assist you if you have any further questions, if you have a problem with the vendor or they haven't showed up on time. That way we can assist you further in that way as well, or if there's an issue with your Qualcomm. So please save this number in your phone along with your dispatch number. That way you always have a way to contact in the breakdown. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it knowledgeable. If you have any questions, let us know. Just always remember, hey, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of a cure. So if you have any questions, please feel free. Use the number, give us a call. We'll help you out. And until next time, we'll see you on the next video.